What would you like me to get you?
Hey, can I get a medium ostrich Hampton? Let's go! Woohoo! We got the puppies, we got the big field, we got this butterfly thing. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's right. So in the last video, I talked about getting Garrison a shock collar and everyone was like, no! Get a long leash and try to tie him to it. So I went and I got this 100-foot rope. I think 100 feet is like pretty decently long. So we're gonna tie Gary up to this and hopefully he stays in and stays secure, but that's gonna be all on the bum. Today she's gonna be our ropes instructor. You know, she actually used to work at a rope factory and a knot factory, and she knows all kinds of knots, all kinds of slam jam, dual action blends, and she is just gonna make sure that Garrison is super, hey! Come here! All right, so we got the stake in the ground and we got the bum over here. She's working. She's working hard. What do you got? Is that the pretzel double nut windshield wind chime knot?
No.
Are you eating grass? Are you kidding me? She's like, I ate all the grass in my backyard. So now I gotta eat this grass too. So I can throw it up in the middle of the night. I can make a big old mess in your house and in your bedtime. Come on, Bess. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Go, Bess, go. Go, Bess, go. Go, Bess, go. Run, Bess, run. Run, Bess, run. And the go, Bess, go. Run, Bess, run. And the go, Bess, go. We got Oak. She's over there. She's so fast. She's so much faster than Bales. It's like annoying. Like if we ever like get that crocodile, Bales wouldn't win. She would win. And it's annoying because I want the Bales to win. Because I like when the Bales gets that crocodile. Come on guys, let's go. Over here. We gotta go to the work site. Crap, he's running, he's running, he's running. Oh my god. That's kind of my one concern is that the rope is gonna get wrapped around the leg and he's gonna be running full speed and he's gonna get like max length out and his leg's gonna get ripped off. Hopefully that doesn't happen though, we'll see. The Bess is jogging. She's working up a sweat. She's getting very, very strong and I'm very scared of the muscular bears. Let me see, come here. Let me see, roll over. Let me see this. Wow, those are so strong, Bears. You get the strongest muscles ever. You get the strongest nipples that I've ever seen. You look really thirsty. We got 3 puppies fighting for the water at once. Everybody wants some. Gary, we gotta get Gary some. Gary's like, I want some water. I want some of that water. There we go. He was like, dude, it's mine. I'm the #1. I'm the first one. I gotta get the most water. So you are getting your very important knot tied, and we're gonna let you loose, and you're gonna think that you're free. You're probably gonna take off full speed and you're probably gonna get jerked. Like it's gonna jerk the crap out of you. So I don't know what to do. I'm almost thinking we need to walk you to the very edge of where you can run to. That way you don't do that. Because you sometimes you can be a little stupid. You can be a little bit of a floppy, stupid goofball. Look how floppy you are. You were the floppiest puppy I've ever seen in my entire life. We got the rolling bears over there and she agrees. She's like, look at me. I can just sit here and I can have a good time and you can have a good time too, all right? So this is gonna be your very first time getting unleashed into the wilderness, into the wild, like the bear, like the goober master, like the slobbertron that you are, courtesy of the bum. This video is sponsored in part by the bum. Go ahead and subscribe to her ear if you'd like to see more.
How does that look?
It looks really good. I think that, you know, I'm not like a rope guy. You are the rope tying master. And if it does not work, you know, I don't know what to tell you. Like, we're just gonna have to make Bales tie it next time. And I mean, you wouldn't want that. And I wouldn't want that, so Gary doesn't want that. So here we go. We're good. Here we go. All right, there we go. We are fully maxed out. We got the Gary right there. And what do we think? That's a good leash. That's like a really long leash. What do you do? I don't even know what to do about it. He's like, I've never had this happen before. Usually I just escape. I can just run away. But now I can't. Ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go, Gary. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Gary. He's like, dude, I know what's going on. You ain't fooling nobody. You ain't fooling nobody with that nonsense. He's like, dude, I only accept escape offers if I'm actually escapable. Like if I'm actually loose. I don't run around on no rope. Come on, Gary. Let's go. Go, Gary, go. Go, Gary, go. Go, Gary, go. Go, Gary, go. There we go. Crap, he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. He's gonna get to the max length, it's gonna rip him. Crap, oh! Oh my God. You know, this was your guys' input. You told me this was a good idea. You know, I think it was a good idea. I think that kind of snagged him a little bit, but you know, he's a smart dog. He's gonna learn, right? He's like, I'm gonna eat the sandwich. That's what I'm gonna do. What did you get?
I had a sausage, cheese, and bacon.
Wow, how'd you come up with that?
I just put all my cravings into one sandwich.
All right, well, that's a wrap. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I mean, Gary's here, he's on a leash, he's out in the open finally, and I don't have to feel so bad anymore. I don't have to feel so bad. I don't feel bad. He's smart, he knows. He's like, dude, I know what's going on, man. We got the best. She's over here, she's munching. And Gary, come here. Come on. Come on. He's like, yeah, all right, for some treats, I'll take it. Get it, Gary, get it. Crap, they're racing. Oh, Callie. No, I don't want you to win, Callie. I want Gary to get it for once. I want Gary to get it. Screw it, Callie. I put too much work into this, all right? You are going to catch this, all right? We are going to finally play with you in a field. We're trapping Callie. She's in jail. She's in jail. No, get back here. Get back in jail. Get back in jail. Get back in jail. Get over here. Get over here. You are in leg jail. You ready? You ready? He's like, I'm freaking ready. Here we go. Get it, Gary. Get it. There he goes. That wasn't really that far. Yeah, Gary, woohoo! You got it! Give me that frisbee. Give me that frisbee. Give me the frisbee. That's my frisbee. That is my frisbee. I got it. All right, here we go again. Better throw. You ready, Gary? Oh, crap. He's like, dude, I can't wait. Hang on, Gary. Hang on. Calm down. Jeez, you're a maniac. Get it, Gary. Get it. I can't throw the frisbee that far. It's like broken because the dogs keep on biting. We need a ball. We don't have a ball. How did I come here so unprepared? He's like, dude, I don't even care, man. I'm running around. I got the frisbee. It's a good time. Well, although it was way too hot out today, we got the bum over there. We got the bales in the car. We got Garrison over here. He's going crazy. Get it, Gary. Get it. Garrison's got the crocodile. Callie's got the frisbee. I would say, honestly, this is a success. Although it's so hot out, we can freaking keep doing this in the future. And we finally have a way for the escape artist, Floppy Goofball, to be able to come out, to be able to play with us, and not escape into the wilderness to get eaten by a coyote. Now, give me that crocodile. Give me that crocodile. Here's my crocodile. Give me that. So I've been watching him, and look, he knows. Like, he's not going to get fully extended. He turns around right in time. He's so smart. Gary's like an AI machine. He's like, I know what's going on, man. I'm not gonna get hung up again. I'm gonna have to go get the crocodile, though. Get it, Gary, get it. Oh, she got it. Look, he's obsessed. He's like, I'm getting that freaking crocodile back if it's the last thing I do. I think he's tired. Everybody's tired. We've only been here for like 20 minutes and everybody's tired. Gary, get it. Yep, see, he's definitely tired. Gary. Oh, he's pooping. I feel like I'm in the Navy on deployment. A rope and wheel will go, a bells and wheel will go. Hi ho the dairy ho, we got a freaking lot of rope. We gotta put this rope in the car. We're gonna have to throw it on the bells. A rope and wheel will go. You got a long tongue, Reese. Your tongue is so long. I wish I had a long tongue like that. I wish I did. What? Take a look. We got Johnny Boy. He was waiting for us. He's got the Groundmaster 40,000. It's called the Groundmaster 40,000. That was like the first time that's ever happened. Normally I go out and I'm trying to go to the freaking park. We got the bales on the loose and every single freaking park has lawnmowers at it. They're mowing around. I don't want to go there. But this time we beat the lawnmower. We were the ones who were there and he was waiting for us. It feels good. Yeah. Groundmaster 40,000. Randy Bear 5,000. Randy Bear 5,000. Randy Bear. Take Bales out to the ball game. Take Bales out with her tongue. Feed it some yummies and Cracker Bales. Gary doesn't care if he's tied to a rope as long as he can play with his frisbee. But Callie won't let him get it because she's too freaking fast in the game. Oh crap, this freaking truck stopped. We almost died. I wasn't paying attention. So on hot days like this, we got this AC and the puppies, they just hang out in this room. It actually cools down pretty good with this big AC unit right here. And we got water over there and you guys should be good. Now as much as I want to bring them everywhere with me, it's 97 degrees, dude. They can't even be outside for more than 5 minutes. They'll start dying. Okay, so my mom's a world famous vegan. She's actually been a vegan for 47 years. She's actually the longest standing vegan in the entire world. Anyway, she wanted me to come over and make her some black bean burgers, you know, because I'm just kind of a specialist at it. It's really the only vegan thing I can make because, you know, it's the only really vegan thing I like. So we got all the ingredients right here and we're gonna get to cooking. She thought I was gonna drop them. Step 17, while my mom's actually over there, you know, she's really, she can't hear us. While my mom's over there, she's actually doing something important. I filled up this gigantic spoon with honey, which isn't vegan, so shh. And boom, we got the patty fluid. So basically you just cook these into patties, or you make them into patties. You know, this stuff is so good though. Like I can dip my chips in it. Man, it's good, it's good. And here we go, we got the patties cooking here on the skillet. We're flipping them. Things are going crazy. And dun 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 dun. We got the squirting, we got the freaking closing, and we got the munching. It's really good. There's my puppies. Hi puppies. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? How are you doing? Oh, it's so cold in here. You guys are so lucky. Oh my God. My parents, they don't use freaking AC at their house. So, oh my God, we got some puppy attacks. We got some puppy attacks. Oh my God, ow, ow. Garrison, oh my God, he's crazy. He's going crazy, Garrison. Oh my God, I missed you too, man. Biz, you don't do this, do you? She's like, I'm happy to see you, but that's it's a little unnecessary. Do my puppies, by any possible chance, maybe, just possibly, want a delicious treat? Do you want a delicious yummy treat? Okay, go. Let's go, come on. I've got a treat for my little puppies, and that treat is called beef trachea rings. Woo! You guys want some beef trachea rings? Here you go. I saw these at the store and they were $2.99. I was like, all right, I know the bears would love it. Look at, we got the tail wag. And Garrison, he doesn't wag his tail, but he's happy too. Look at him, he can't even chew the thing. He's like, wow, this is great. All right, now try to stay calm, but I have an even more important question than the first one. It's a very, very deliciously important question. Do you guys possibly by any chance want another beef trachea ring? Oh, the bears is like, I do. All right, sit. Good girl. Stay. Leave it. No. Absolutely not. You will wait. And now you will. Oh my goodness. Nom 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 nom. We get the tracheas and the tracheas. It's a big trachea combination platter. And of course, we could just go ahead and offer a special edition trachea to this little muskrat out here. There you go. She's like, I can't even, I can't even find it. It's right there. She's like, I'm weird. I'm just gonna go eat it over here. The veg is in here like, can I have another one of those things, please? Can I have, you got any more, mister?